Hey guys, what is up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad to have you here today. If you like videos about makeup, make sure you subscribe down below. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and also on Sundays during the month of October. If this is your second, third, fourth, or I always get this wrong. However many times you've been here on my channel, then welcome back. I'm so glad to see you here again. You would also notice that my hair is different. We went with low lights for fall. I'm currently filming this on September 29th. I think I got this done last Friday. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. Yes, we love it. So today's makeup look is going to be a very inspired look. I don't have wings, but I do have this headband and it's very pretty, so I'm inspired. It'll be pastel themed, but if you're doing like a fairy look and you want to do other colors, then obviously do what you want. Something that's going to be different about this video than on my other Halloween videos is that this is going to be a voiceover because I currently have strep and it hurts to talk. So this video might be like a little bit quicker than all the other ones, just because usually my voiceovers are a little bit quicker than my other ones where I just talk aimlessly about nothing. But yeah, I still wanted to get a video out for you guys because it's been a hot minute since I touched my makeup. I literally thought that I had, you know, the plague, and that was not fun. But yeah, we're just gonna dive into it. Take it away, voiceover Lottie.
Hey, what's up? It's voiceover Lottie here. So for my base, I use the Fenty Eavesdrop Skin Tint because it's just the best. It gives me that dewy refreshed glow that I'm looking for. It's a shade darker than my normal skin tone though, but it's close enough where I can get away with it. For concealer, I use the Kaja Beauty Don't Settle Concealer. This is an underrated fave of mine that not many people know about, and I definitely do not want to gatekeep this. I place it on my normal places I conceal, then blend it out with a sponge. I use the Danessa Myricks Color Fix in shade Ballerina as my first layer of blush. This is a super shimmery pink shade that is absolutely beautiful. I put it on my cheeks and also the tip of my nose to give it a cutesy effect. To set my face, I use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Finishing Powder. This is the second one I purchased because it's literally that good. Now it's time to add more blush using the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism palette. I start with the lightest pink shade, which is called Pink Moon. To deepen up my blush, I'm adding the shade Stargaze into the mix. Debate about using Spacey, but I think it's a little too dark for this look. The last blush I am adding to this concoction is a Super Shock blush in the shade Chiffon from ColourPop. This also gives me a bit of a highlight, which we will of course be layering up too. I'm now diving into my first palette, the Glam White Ice Cream Dream palette. The first shade I'm using is Mochi, which I'll be adding to the inner half of my crease. I also blend this up a little bit towards my brow bone. Now I'm going to add the shade Bubblegum to the inner half of my lid, right underneath Mochi. I'm also going to make sure to blend my pinks together, making a smooth and seamless transition. Next, I'm taking the shade Honey Lavender and blending it out on the outer half of the crease and flicking it up to the tip of my brow. I am also going to connect the outer corner of my eye with the flick of my crease. Switching palettes, I am now going over to the Michaela X Glam White palette. Whee! Pretty packaging. I'm taking the shade MJ and placing it in the space on my outer half of my lid. I'm making sure to blend this into the pink and the lighter purple as well, so everything looks absolutely perfect. Here I take a white shade from another palette and I just softened up the edges of my look to match my blend. Now I'm going to take the best color and blend it onto my lower lash line. Don't be afraid to build that beautiful color up, baby. To blend out my green, I am taking the shade Handy and lightly placing it below my lash line. I want the green to stand out the most on the lower lash line, so I'm going to dip back into it every now and then, just to get the color that I want. For my waterline, I'm first taking my Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Makeup Base Stick in shade Hip Hop and lining it very carefully, hoping and praying I don't accidentally poke my eye out. Next, I am popping into the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the white shade Certified and gradually building up the white shadow on my waterline. This took a really long time to do if you can't tell. Because you can never have too much highlighter, I decided to add even more with the ABH Sugar Glow Kit. I added the shades Starburst and Marshmallow to my cheekbones, inner corner of my eyes, and the tip of my nose. I couldn't just leave my brows bare, so I brushed them up with this brow gel from Estee Lauder. I want to make them a bit bushy, but I didn't have enough brow hairs to make it look super cool. Womp womp. Next, it was time to put the Midas Cosmetics Queremos Pastel Cake Liner palette to the test. I specifically used the white shade for my entire face. First, I used it as a bottom lash mascara. Give it a little pop, you know? Next, I added some fun freckles with a dotting tool I got on Amazon in the same places where I added blush and also to the bridge of my nose. Then I added a fun little bit of liner to the top of my eyes. I'm not sure who I got this inspo from, but I thought it would match the look well. And finally, I added some curly winged liner for a whimsical addition to this look. Now it was time for lashes. These are velour lashes in style Snatched. I know I apply my lashes like I was raised by wolves, but it works for me and I couldn't find my applicator. Alright, we are almost done. Time for lips. I used a Cali liquid lipstick in shade Snow Way Bay and blotted it onto my lips with my finger. I didn't want a strong effect with the lippy, just a little bit of color. And to top it all off, I added a gloss from the Michaela X Glam Light collection called, well, I don't know. The name isn't on the packaging, but it pulled the whole look together, that's for sure.
Okay guys, here is the final look with the cute little shirt. I couldn't really find anything too fairy-like. And the headpiece. I did get this from Walmart for like maybe $4, so if you want to get this one, you can get it. They also have one with more vibrant colors, so keep that in mind. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Now go ahead, leave a like and a comment. Make sure you have subscribed and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. Now I'm gonna bippity boppity boo out of here. Wait, that's not a fairy joke, that's a Cinderella joke. I'll see you guys later. Bye!